Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you something I've been waiting to get my hands on for a long time. After waiting a long time, I decided there's no better time than now to buy the canvas lamp from shopcanvas.co. Now I know what you're thinking. All this hype for just a lamp? Well, this isn't just a lamp, but a solution that can replace all your tripods and lighting equipment if you're creative just like me. Now, before I go any further, this is not a sponsored or a promotional video. I just wanted to come out here and share about this incredible tool that makes my life much simpler. So here's a little unboxing and mounting video for you along with my honest reviews. I came across Canvas on Instagram and instantly I thought it was a perfect solution for taking overhead videos. I've used the traditional tripods and the gooseneck phone mounts before, and for me, they are pretty hard to handle. Canvas comes with a lamp, which was a huge selling point. I bought the classic white canvas lamp with wooden base, and the price on their website was about 172 US dollars exclusive of taxes. I got a 10% off through a discount code that I had, and with taxes, the total came up to 169.51 US dollars. If you're in the US, this is a really good deal, but if you're anywhere else in the globe, you will have to pay for shipping, duties, and additional taxes. Since I wanted it shipped to Canada, I had three shipping options, and the one with the lowest fare was 79.44 US dollars, which included $37.38 for shipping and $42.05 for duties and taxes. I know this is pretty expensive, but this is how desperate I was to get my hands on this, and I'm glad I did. I've already set the whole thing up, and now let's look at the details. Here's the wooden base. It's pretty heavy and real sturdy. They come with felt pads underneath so they don't scratch your table or leave any nasty marks. I've attached the metal arm to it. The movement of this arm is real smooth and easy. It comes with an adjustable smart foam holder that can be removed or replaced with an Allen key, which is also provided, by the way. It can be rotated and set at a lot of angles, which I think is a great feature to have. It has a USB cable that has light switches and settings. You have a power button for on and off, a button for color control, and buttons for adjusting intensities. As I said, it's a USB cable and you can connect it to your computer or laptop or even an USB adapter, which is also provided. The lamp also comes with a box of additional things. This is a desktop clamp or a table clamp, which is super useful if you want to use your canvas lamp without the wooden base. Say you don't have space for it on your table, or you want to clamp the lamp somewhere higher, say on a floating shelf above your table or anything. And you also have this selfie mode adapter. I haven't really used this, so I'm not very sure about it, but from the name, I guess it's used for self-recording, though I think it can be just done with the lamp. Now this is amazing, guys. This is a USB wall charging adapter, and it also comes with 4 types of adapter pins, and you can use the one that's suitable for your country or location. This is the one that I use in Canada, and this is the one I would use back in India. I think this is super useful if you want to carry a canvas lamp. If you're traveling to different countries, these come in very handy. They have also given this handy manual on how to set up your lamp and also says what's given in the box. So now I'm gonna quickly connect it to my laptop and see how it works. It has a blue light that indicates that it's connected. There are 3 light modes and 10 intensity levels that you can set according to your lighting requirements. Here I've already set my iPhone and I love how this is sturdy and has got flexible angles which I can adjust with a single hand. The movement is smooth and easy, and this has got to be one of the best things I've invested on. And I can't wait to start creating with this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more. This is Gracelyn Daniel Jones signing off. Goodbye.